Today, I'll show you how to perfectly fit or fill your content based on your project's aspect ratio. This is super useful when your videos or photos don't quite match the size of your project. Let's get started. First, import your clip into VN and place it on the timeline. Now, select the clip that you want to adjust. At the bottom toolbar, you'll find the option to toggle between fit and fill. If you choose fit, VN will make sure your entire content is visible inside the frame. Sometimes this means black bars will appear on the sides or top and bottom. If you choose fill, VN will crop your content so it stretches and fills the entire frame. This removes black bars but may cut off some edges of your video or photo. Play back your video and see which option works best for your project style. And that's it. You now know how to use the fit and fill options in VN to make your clips match your aspect ratio perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more VN video editor quick tips.